Where's Tantan and MM? What? What? Gymnastics ang trip ni MM at ni Tantan ngayong taon. Kaya ayun, pinasubok namin sila ng trial dito sa Club Gymnastica. Ilang araw na din kasi silang nood ng mga bending, ayan, stretching, tumbling, at kung ano-ano pang mga ginagawa sa gymnastics. Kaya ayun, nag-enjoy naman sila at solid naman yung experience nila dito sa Club Gymnastica. Hindi ko nga lang sure kung gusto pa nilang ulitin ulit. Pero ayun, kung gusto nyo rin, pwede kayong mag-try dito. Ako nagkakanin kasi nga ang fasting ko ngayon ay no rice for the whole week. So, ito na yung trial natin na chicken Alfredo. Just using ingredients na available dito sa bahay. So, ayan po. Try natin. Mabango naman. But let's see. Na-excite ako. Feeling ko mainit pa to kasi bago nito. Okay. Hinat. Kulang sa alat. Ano to? Ganito, lagyan ko na lang asin, ganun. Lagyan ko ng cheese. Lagyan natin ng konting alat. Ayan. Ayan, feeling ko perfect na to. Ayan. So excited. Gusto natin ulit. Kita niyo yung mga chunks nung chicken breast. Ang sarap. Pag pumunta kayo dito, lulutuan ko kayo. Wala na. Yun na. Perfect. That's the taste that I want. Subok ah. Yun na. Yum, 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 yum. Natikman ko na. Kaya, pwede ko na pakainin yung mga bata. Sarap.
Masarap to sa carbonara.
Mas masarap to? Ay, sa carbonara. Wala akong ginamit ng powder dito. Kung ano-ano lang. Sarap no? Para restaurant. See?
I know 16 divided into 4 equals 4.
What else?
3 times 6 equals 18.
Whoa, what else?
For my strength. That's all. Wait. What?
Okay.
7 plus 3 equals 10. If you already know that, don't.
We went for a quick grocery run dahil sarado ang mga grocery at ang mga ibang tindahan sa susunod na mga araw dahil nga sa Holy Week. Sao, sarap. Favorite mo to, diba? But that's not rice. It's soup, right?
May rice doon.
No, I want lugaw. Look. And look at the chocolate.
Why?
Parang mas masarap. Mas sumarap yung lugaw.
Answering me. Sobrang challenging talaga na mag no rice diet, pero kakayanin at gagawin. Isang linggo lang naman to eh. Ano ba naman tong sacrifice na to sa ginawa sa atin ni Jesus, diba? At ayun, kapag ganitong oras wala masyadong tao eh. Pero nung araw na to, medyo madaming tao kasi I think nag-iipon din sila or bumili na rin sila kasi alam nilang magsasarado din ang mga tindahan.
Haagen-Dazs.
How do you pronounce that?
Haagen-Dazs.
Haagen-Dazs. Daddy, how do you pronounce that ice cream?
Hagita.
Hagita? Japanese ka ba? Japanese ba tayo? How about
Ito ba yung sa'yo?
How about you?
Parehas tayo.
How about you?
Haganda.
Let's see, let's see. Haagen-Dazs. Yes, it's Haagen-Dazs. Haagen-Dazs.
You're done. Slowly.
So cute. Yeah, clap your hands for Ate.
Why?
She did it. She get it. She's always so shy to pick up things.
Huh?
Clothes were torn and taken from him, and a crown made out of thorns was put on his head. While Jesus was hanging on the cross, many people shouted to him, "If you really are the Son of God, save yourself from the cross." At noon, darkness fell across the whole land. 3 hours later, Jesus took his last breath and
Hindi talaga kami sumasabay ng bakasyon kapag peak season. Feeling ko kasi hindi namin masyadong ma-enjoy kapag ganon. Kaya madalas kapag ganito, nag-i-stay at home lang kami at gumagawa ng mga pagkakaabalahan sa bahay. Yep. It's so cute, right? It has
Me
a
and my
talent.
friends colored the hair. That's
What
why-
color?
No markers.
Oh, really?
It was like this is yellow, purple, pink. We just did that because we were bored.
Who gave that to you?
His mama said,
Lola.
same time.
Addition and your AI couldn't copy. I'm giving clues in the fitting room and it's hot tea. We bow on strong Singing how the high is hiding quietly. Into black. Ah, you're looking at the commercial. It did.
Okay, let's see if it's open. T-bone and steak.
Me, I'm gonna eat
Oh, we think
Daming tao.
it's
black
open.
one. I'll eat black one.
Titingnan namin kung bukas yung paborito naming kinakainan dito. Malapit sa amin. Sabado de Gloria kasi ngayon, so hindi tayo sure. It's open! I love taking photos and videos, lalo na ng mga bata at kung gaano sila ka-close at kabait sa isa't isa. Para paglaki nila, di ba, maaalala nila yung mga ganyan. Kasi kami, kapag nagkikita-kita kami magkakapatid, wala namang kaming mga ganitong video. Parang pagkukwentuhan namin, uy, naalala mo ba nung dati si kuya, si ate, o yung bunso namin, ganito nangyari. Pero wala kaming proof, di ba? So ito, siguro magsa-search lang sila sa Google Drive ni Mami or sa Google Photos naming mag-asawa. At makikita nila mga pinagagawa nila nung bata sila. So, eto, bawal pa rin ako sa rice kaya pasta muna ang kakainin ko. At syempre sila, ito talaga yung tapa. Favorite ko yun yung tapa. Pero konting tiis at bukas makakain na ulit ako ng kanin. Pagkatapos ng dinner ay dumaan na lang din kami sa kalapit na Starbucks. Bagong bukas lang kasi to kaya gusto rin namin makita yung loob kung anong meron. Tsaka gusto rin namin syempre uminom ng Java chip. Tapos ito si Daddy. Pinag-usapan namin na ipasubok kay Ate Sasa na siya yung umorder. Pero, ayun, nahiya pa rin talaga siya eh. Tinatry kasi namin siyang i-expose sa mga tao para medyo mawala naman yung shyness niya. Tapos nakita ko tong mga cute na baso. Ang cute, pero hindi naman kailangan. Kaya tingin-tingin na lang muna.
Jesus is Lord, and believe in your heart that God raised him from the dead, you will be saved. For it is with your heart that you believe and are justified, and it is with your mouth that you confess your faith and are saved.